Okay, late model. What do we got here? Pacifica, Chrysler Pacifica key fob. And so I'm sure you all know the key just comes out, right? Like it's like that. Push the side button, the key comes out. Gonna pry around the edges with something flat until it pops apart. And then you'll see the battery, which is a 2032 button cell. Mine have a bitter coating so kids don't swallow them. I thought that was weird. Okay, so you'll see this little spot right there. You're just gonna push that battery until it pops out. Put your new child-friendly 2032 back in there, just like that. And that's the bulk of it. Put your cover back on. These do not need to be reprogrammed or anything. They work right away. Put the key back in there. All done.